Oga Wenger, Mourinho Ansari, una welcome.
Thank you.
My boy, how you dey?
I dey fine, sir. Na just the hustle for here. Oga Wenger, I get question for you. Wetin you think say they do us now?
See easy question.
Now you them ask. You no go shut up.
See, Mourinho, no disturb me for here oh. I go change am for you. I never forget wetin you do me last time wey we sit down together oh. For 1 full month, I no fit chop food.
You no suppose forget now. Now your nonsense mouth na him cause am.
See, Mourinho, no come insult me for here oh. I don waka from Italy go China just to slap person father. Nothing say I no fit change am for you oh. Na pity make me never brush you go coma.
Blood of Jesus. Wetin dey worry you now? Why you na dey quarrel like this for public discussion?
You, why you dey carry gun come for this kind place? Why you go even shoot am? In short, where una dey even get these guns come from? Which kind life be this?
Sorry, you no go shut up, ba? You no see say the guy hold gun?
Say, Mourinho, no vex me for here. Allow me make I run my mouth.
Una see the quarrel? Kubala, you ask me something.
Yes, sir.
You see, ba? Arsenal problem no start today. It starts when my boy, Igwe, comot. Since that time, till when I comot, I been dey try stabilize the team. But dem no gree me. If dem continue like this, dem fit go relegation sef.
On Thursday, Man City go Stamford Bridge for return leg. Oga Mourinho, wetin you think say go sup for that game?
I no go lie you, that match go tough. And 2 of them go comot their big players, come play the match. But last, na draw dem go draw that game.
Make I chop shit. In short, if Man City no flog Chelsea ba, I no go shit for 1 full month. You know see as Man City dey rotate their players? All their players na first team players. Make I tell you something. Guardiola no get joy. See wetin him do Burnley now? De Bruyne no start game. In fact, Sterling no even play the whole game. And them still trash Burnley 5-0. Meanwhile, Chelsea dey there dey struggle with Aston Villa with their relegation zone. By the time Mahrez turn Alonso eye ba, na eyeglass the guy go wear go house.
Oga Wenger, wetin you think?
Me, I like to dey support underdogs. Chelsea na underdog. But I hate Chelsea. So I no dey support anybody.
Chelsea no be only underdog. Them be under goat, cow, sheep, frog, mosquito, all of them join. Just put under for front. Na Chelsea be that.